Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
It's Carl's first time on it too. And a group. Yep. That might be a game over for you this one, eh? I would say it's faster than equaliser.
Okay, you ready now? Let's go.
Here we go. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I think so. Not sure.
Yeah.
There's some banging tunes in the waltzer.
Yeah. Some banging lights too. This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning, it gets a lot faster. Yeah. Oh, here we go, we're getting a bit faster now. Lean!
No headsets on this one.
Yeah, man. I'm leaning so they can spin more. Woo!
Here we go. Hands up, let's go.
Yeah!
Loving it, Isaac.
Shade, you mean?
Shane, sorry. Hang on. Loving it, Shane.
Yeah! 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 Oh!
I'm loving it.
Yeah! Oh!
Okay.
You see what I mean now?
This is crazy.
Is it a game over for you?
It's not game over yet. Crazy waltzer.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh my god.
I'm losing headdress right now.
Yeah.
Where's the headdress?
Yeah, there's no headrest on this one.
The only waltzer here.
Yeah.
No headdress.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
Wow.
It's nearly game over for you.
I'm alright, I'm okay.
Yeah?
I'm okay.
Oh. It's not as steep as the hills on Equaliser though.
No.
I feel that the Equaliser has steeper hills.
Yeah.
What I am trying to figure out though is it a free hill or a four hill this one?
I'm just sitting back and enjoying the ride.
Yeah.
Hands up.
Woo! So cool. That I think 6 minutes already.
Look sides on this one.
Yep.
Don't flip, not game over still. Still not game over.
Yeah, we're both fine in there.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Hey!
Hey! Oh, that was crazy. Enjoying it?
Yeah, loving it, loving it, loving it.
Somebody scream!
Woo! Oi, oi, oi! Woo!
Oh, wow, that's awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Right, right.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more
Subscribe to my
videos.
channel and press